Hello, people online. Welcome back to my channel. Today I unpacked something cute, and it's more adorable than anything else. Bro, like this is so cute. I don't see one. I don't see one. I love dogs, but seahorses are water animals. Eyes are cute. And I got like little save. I don't know how they're called, but this is my favorite chest. Oh, I like the gold in there. It's cute. So cute. Wait. Meow, 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 meow. Like it's pretending like you open this. The only thing that I'm worried about is the back side. I don't think the coral reef goes on the treasure box. And they painted it so badly. Yeah, I don't like how they paint it. Like, yeah, it's not careful at all. It's not careful at all. Not at all. And my sister, this is what she did. I staples and then she put a sticker on there. And whenever I do it, when I'm angry, boop, there's a staple right there. Just have to get it out the sticker. And bro, how do you even whoever knows how to take a staple out of something, write in the comments. Because bro, when I was a little kid, like a smaller kid, I would do them like this, and now I'm a big kid and and I rip it. But I took one out. It's just so hard to see. Wait, hook, and then you're like, and then I'm like fish. And then like, what? And then I'm like, meow. There's another one I did one time when I was angry. Oh my god. See, I'm just ripping it. I can't. I ripped it. There's no way I'm gonna put the sticker back. I'm like, sister, look at this. She's gonna be so mad at me. I have to put this back. That's what I like to do. So when I have a sticker on there, I just like to put it back. I don't actually staple it, just like punch it. Now see, and then I just like to put my hand, and then it falls. Okay. What's the point? I'm just gonna staple it back where it was. Staple. I stapled it. Who cares? I'm gonna put my sticker back. My mini toys. Lovely mini toys. Okay, my mini toys are nice. Cause, bro, I don't like. They didn't even want to do this part of the side, but we all see that. These are like the garden stuff. Like you can put in the garden. Like if you never saw it in the garden, I don't know. Like I really like these. These are like pebbles. I used to find them when I was a little kid. Like this blue one. It's shiny. I only have 3 because I lost one purple. When I was a little kid, I had a friend. I had a friend, and we were fighting. We actually were not fighting, but we were in a pool, and I found the 4 pebbles. But I lost one of them, the purple one, in the pool because we were playing. Actually, not in the pool, but in the grass because we were playing with it. was actually green. Yeah, it was green. So it was hard. It was blending in. This is a bracelet I made one time. I like it. You could actually just use a, how do you say, you could just pull it in. Actually, it doesn't really stay. But a great bracelet. Made it myself. Maybe just a little help, but no. It's kind of easy, but not really that easy. I would suggest you making it. It's just so nice. Right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm just sharing stuff with you. This is my mom's. Yeah, the horn broke. Never mind. Okay, I keep everything in this little basket I made myself at art time in school. Ooh, I really want to share. Gotta take this bracelet off. My favorite Pokemon cards. And let me just take a few more. Like, these are two of my favorite ones. They're nice, but they're low, I think so. Yeah, they're low. They're low. They're both low. I think this one's 70 and that's one's 60 or 30 and 30. But they were both. This one's cute. It's like, it's so cute. That's why I just fit. It's cute. It's so cute. I have more. A big pile of them. Boop, boop. Big pile of them. I know. There's so much cute stuff, like mini brands. I could go get a mini brand right now. Like a mini brand like this. Kool-Aid. They're cute. Like, how do they do this all details? Let's just compare these two to this Kool-Aid. Comparing. More careful. Painting awful. Painting great. Even the sketches. Bro, painting awful. Painting great. Painting awful. Painting. Bro, they even. Bro. Look how tiny those words are. They actually wrote it. Bro, they actually wrote it. Bro, they actually free life. They label like there's so much. Like I have more mini brands, but they're so. It's just like I can't talk about it. I'll just like I'll drink the mini brand right there. Drink the mini brand. Drink the Kool-Aid. If you have any cute stuff, you actually gotta take a picture and like, bro, send it to me in the comments. I really want to see that. I just love cute stuff. Like the tiny stuff. How do they do it, bro? How? Bye. Subscribe, like the channel. Bye.